It is the small town, so all the people know each other and they often talk on the streets. What are you going to be delighted of are the stairs street. Interesting. Just come and see. Come to feel the stairs that will never make you feel tired. You are going to go forward and forward just to see the next house, next gate, porches, trade stores, and their tireless creative and inventive trades hand. And they, masters of their trade, are anxious to talk to every well-intentioned man, to discover the secret of their work in which they put a lot of energy and soul. In the town and its surroundings, there are a lot of water resources and fountains with cold drinking water. The few mountain streams are trying with their shine and bright to be above the sunshine. It is interesting to mention that this town still uses the Turkish sewerage made from stone planks. Many military leaders, patriots, agas, pashas, and despots have walked through the streets of Kruševo. Behind them were militaries or wedding guests. Therefore, every stone has its own legend. The Macedonian legend starts and finishes in Kruševo. The history to bring you up in the sky, bring you nearer, and join you on the same day, same place through the century. Ilinden, the 2nd of August, the eternal national holiday. The legendary Mečkin Kamen presents an epopeia all by itself and is deeply engraved in the Macedonian people's hearts. The cherry tree gun, one and unique in the world, keeps the secret about Gumenje. The Macedonium, tall and proud, it is the lighthouse above the town, and with its grandiose look sends a message to the whole world for peace, harmony, and community. In the Nikola Martinovsky Gallery, you can see clear the purity, beauty, nature rarities, and irrefutable history in mixed colors of the paintings. There is also the Museum of the War of National Liberation and the Museum of Ilinden Uprising and Kruševo Republic. The icon and fresco gallery is the saint of this town, which has built, created, and painted frescoes through the centuries. The sounds of the town church bells, St. Nicola, and church Holy Mother of God resound to all Christians. The monastery and spas, 10 kilometers away from Kruševo, with its frescoes paintings, present a source of spirit strength. Placed high in the mountain, like in a nest, silent holds the God's message about grace and peace given as a gift to the well-intentioned people. The monastery in construction, St. Preobraženje, placed on the old foundation, which dates from the 7th century, 1,650 meters above the sea level, keeps the secret inside about the Son of God, born in Kruševo, proud of Macedonian people. The icon lamp is burning to carry the story further, the story about one son, one boy, one man. He built stone after stone. From stones he created a song. From faith he built a monastery. When the nature gives such a beauty to one place and the spirit which has created through the century all by itself, then it is set aside to save people's health, beauty and joy of living. For this most beautiful nature reservation, the people say that it is a source of red blood cells. For that contributes also the large number of sunny days during the year and thick greenery spread all around. Kruševo reminds you on the old master's landscapes. With all this said above, this mystical town deserves the epithet the most beautiful winter and summer tourist resort. The support of all the inhabitants in this town, with real possibilities to develop into the world-famous tourist center with urban way of living and high standard of the people, has made a progress in reaching understanding among all the parties involved to give a priority to the modern tourism development without abandoning the traditional values. During the year, 18,000 tourists stay overnight in the existing capacities in Kruševo. There is also the Montana Hotel, which is fully renovated, the Ilinden Hotel, the Hostel Shulamina, and private accommodation with capacity of about 1,200 places. The ski lifts and cable railways are modernized also, and the municipality wants to attract fresh capital, which is going to contribute to the tourism development. The tourist marketing has a major part in this branch. The strategic plan of the community for the priorities is Kruševo to become a world-developed center for every kind of tourism by increasing the number of hotel capacities, new investments and modern infrastructure, and by preserving the natural beauty, the old and specific town architecture and historical gains. Because of its unusual beauty and soft climate, this tourist center attracts tourists for years. The secret of traditional cooking, made by home recipe, the oriental food and modern trendy meals are giving a special mark to the Kruševo hospitality. That is why you should not wonder hearing just compliments for a classical holiday, organized sport and transit tourism. If you are searching for a real place to relax and you want to find your peaceful oasis fulfilled with happiness and love, come to Kruševo. It's going to remind you of the old master's landscapes. And that flowers at the beginning of the story that I used to bring to the monuments of the great fighters of Kruševo, now some other children are bringing it to the greatest among the greatest. And I would have known how to write the pain of the people in Kruševo, the sorrow for their and our Toše, if there wasn't this cramp in my hands, if there wasn't the sorrow that tears my chest, if I would have known as much as him, but I don't. If I could do things he could, but I couldn't. If I was as great as he was, but I'm not. If I knew to love as he had known, but I didn't learn. If I wasn't too embarrassed to write a word out of his great works. I lean my head down to my knees, because I don't know. If there wasn't this towards God, when I didn't place one stone, and that boy has been building a monastery. If this story was the happy one, he would have been here with us. If this Kruševo didn't die with its little star, with its great among the greatest, the Balkan and European pop legend, and a world humanitarian Toše Proeski. The star is above us, but where are we? Because of the inexperience, sorrow for him, sorrow for his family. We don't know how and we never will. There is no peace for the Macedonian and Balkans' hearts, except the thought that God needed an angel as you was. The old artist will not succeed to paint the old happy town that Kruševo used to be. The paintings will always have other artistic dimension in which your art will have the leading word. Rest in peace, you the legend, in your legendary Kruševo.
Една цреша, што мене не чека. Кога мора да одам им реков, се што имам и куќа и нива, нека земе што му треба секој, но црешата da ja najdam živa. Što je to, ako ľudje to tážno, što žive a dvor životi tuđi, kojevo moje to mina, to plovi, sve se mirno i bez dana.